Mm-hmm.
It's like 1 inch tall and like 2 inches wide. Am I right?
Okay, we're gonna have to check the today.
How is Mom doing? I'm thinking about it.
No.
Good. She was with Cameron the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He didn't say much. He said she was in a good mood, but not much more after that.
That's well, I know. I didn't really talk to her. She's still working, I guess.
Popo.
That's good.
She got an extension on where she's staying there, but she's working on trying to maybe get another apartment.
I hope she does.
Trying to help her.
And I'll get to spend the night with her.
Daughter, Joan.
Yeah.
She has an apartment. Mom thinks, or Grandma Beatty thinks it might be over by the Dollar General has their stuff.
Yeah.
That'd be a cheap place to go.
Probably.
Or I don't know, or 7-Eleven.
What stuff?
Either one. I don't really. Money's not a big concern.
Some smokes.
Well, it is, but I'm not too.
You need cash or you have to?
No, I got money on me.
Alright.
Whoa, Mom.
What? I understand that. She is in the wrong, not me. I got the right of way.
There's a truck too.
That they both have to wait. I'm on the road and they're in the parking
Well, that's
lot.
what they were yelling, Mom.
Well, I am quite aware of driving. Besides, they have to wait for me.
You need anything?
No, thank you.
Hamburger buns? Want some of those?
No, we only got one burger left, so we're good.
I gotta use this. Oh, so full again. Sooner or later I'm gonna be at 55K. I'm gonna be able to get my Chevy. I do not want that.
Can you slow that down?
See, I'm doing the video. I gotta be able to hear it. Yeah, turn it down a little bit. I wonder how many subscribers we have, Sid.
How many?
I don't know.
Probably not a lot.
Yeah, probably not. Not like if they watch a video I made, maybe we'll get some subscribers. But You guys have like a lot of videos for a whole bunch of subscribers.
Really yours for me.
Finally, a full bowl. Nice.
When is Kane gonna go back home? Like, when are we dropping him off? Aw. What other time are we gonna be able to pick him up?
I don't know,
Next time you don't have work.
What?
How difficult is it?
I know. I was wondering, like, Christ, there's nobody left in here.
No, there is.
No, there's nobody in there. Those are the workers.
Why does it take so long?
We had a new person who's couldn't find the key to get into the thing to open the get the cigarette. Then apparently you have to be 18 to buy a lighter.
You are. You're buying cigarettes, so.
Oh yeah, but that's still stupid. You have to be 18 to buy a lighter. And I can walk into 7-Eleven with a, $5 in my hand. I can walk out with a couple of lighters and. Oh. What are you doing, Riley?
Making a video.
What?
What's so bad about it?
I was just wondering why you're all covered up.
I couldn't see the screen.
Well, turn your brightness off.
Look, that wastes my battery easily.
So?
Why it says it doesn't work?
You always can plug it in later.
Why it says like it doesn't work?
Wyatt?
Yeah.
Oh.
It doesn't work. You try. Well, it works for me.
What,
So,
turning up the brightness?
turning the brightness down to save battery. He said it doesn't work, but it works for me.
Yeah.
I don't recommend doing it, but people take their devices and put them in the freezer overnight, and the battery will last them 3 or 4 days on full brightness. You've never heard of people doing that, putting their devices
Yeah,
in the
but then I
freezer?
feel like I break it.
Like,
Won't I break it or something or ruin it?
it can, yes, it can ruin it.
Okay. I'm gonna buy something.
No, it can ruin it in a couple different ways very easily.
Tell me. I'm not gonna do it. I just want to know.
Well, one, if the battery gets too cold,
Yeah, you're not doing it for you.
I didn't say I was. I just wanted to
Oh.
know.
one of the ways is the battery can explode. That'll happen.
That's bad.
Other way is freeze it and then water crystals will get in it and that would ruin it. And the other one is it's just the phone, it just won't turn back on because something else happened to it.
Oh, it's our camper. It's gonna go.
No.
That is a nice boat. It's a huge boat. You might not
Yeah.
Sunny.
Because when you're camping, you can't.
I didn't know they were doing that. I seen that one pass.
They turn their lights on at the last second.
I thought he was gonna pass too, because that car did, so I wasn't slowing down. So I thought you could put his blinker on to pass.
Well, I know how you feel.
Sorry, guys. I wasn't paying attention.
It don't matter to me.
Well, my boss does that in